Well, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. We have a good one for you today. Vehicle is in for a state inspection and for a multi-point inspection. So, alright. You can see we're missing a hardware there, we got one there. Alright, well, we're on the drive-on lift for a reason. Now, I don't see any leaks, which is a good thing, but I see a plethora of flavor. And I see a plethora of flavor that somebody is trying to hide on me. But do you know who I am? This is CSW, and I'll find it. I'll find you trying to fill in the frame right here, but it gets better, everybody. It gets really good. Look at this side. That ain't the frame. Some Goomba welded freaking plates over the cancer of the frame. And you can see, look at this. And it goes further back. So here's the front wheel. This is where we are, right? There's the front wheel. We got the eccentric for the front lower control arm. So it starts right here, the Gugats repair. And it continues. And it continues. And it continues. And it continues. And then it stops right here. So we're going to look at the passenger side. We're going to look at this passenger side. Whoa, what's that? I just noticed that. That does not belong there like that. Oh, it's because it's zip tied. Alright. Let's get that out of the way for them. It's probably going to go right back, but they coated here. This is a very known spot on this car here. It's a corrode and rot. Same with the entire frame. And you can see, if you can see past that, it's not looking good up there. No. I'll give you one guess to what car this is. One hint to what this vehicle is. I might give you two. The first one is, it has 3 wiper blades, front wiper blades. It's 3 front wiper blades. And we can see more frame repair on the driver's side. Oh, we got a zip tie holding the parking brake cable. Alright, I guess here was okay. Alright. It looks like this may have been filled in right here. I don't know, but let's look through the hole of truth. There's the old frame. There's what's left of the old frame. And this at one point in its life had a box frame. No longer. Now it's whatever they did this to it. And it's not a good repair. It might appear visually to be good, but underneath it's freaking welded to crap. That's what I can say. A proper frame repair, or at least you do a strong frame repair, you got to cut the cancer out until you get to good metal, and then you make your repair panels and whatnot. But I don't know, man. Whoever did this to the customer took them for a freaking ride, and I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I don't do that here. We don't do that at the dealership, because we would never warrant a repair like this. We would tell them to replace the frame if it's available. Oh my. Alright guys, the second thing I shall give you, this vehicle rides on a shortened Tacoma frame. So 3 front wipers and a shortened Tacoma frame. Let me know in the comments what kind of vehicle this is and what year it is, and let me know, what do you think about this frame repair? And if you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further flavor.